10-4, engine 3, you're en route to the 169 southbound side. We've only received one call on this. The subject was calling from 2217 Frontage Road. 2217 Frontage Road. Advised he heard tires squalling, unknown PI. Like I said, we've only received one call.
Well, they call light bulb for me.
Yeah. What channel do you want us on?
Channel 3, please, channel 3.
County's going to hell in a handbasket.
Got that right.
EMS 7 body stop. EMS 7 body type. Just advise you that Colonnador lane, that 1 second it's possibly a code call. She started breathing again. So far, Roanoke hasn't got anybody en route yet. Back at the French Club mile. Station 12 EMS 7's on channel 3.
EMS 7, station 12.
Go ahead.
Trying to get off the permission to get talked out.
You have approved their response.
Negative, it's just me.
Good, 512. Go ahead. I can meet you at Root Mill on the south there. The lifeguard was auto-dispatched on this. They're on the line and advising should they go ahead and lift. We're only one call, it's 3. If they find anything, you're not just on the standby. Tap.
Right there's a truck, isn't it? Where was it? Got it.
access by Frontage Road.
Where's that freaking crossover?
Right up here.
Yeah, that's a temple.
Right there where that bush is.
Something's still open.
EMS up about that. Good. I'm sorry everyone missed it in radio traffic. Was somebody going to get freed up ambulance-wise to go to this 169? I believe I'm the only EMS around that now. Going to Rock Bridge too. That's my vehicle lane call. I'm going to get there first. First. I'll go on Rock Bridge next to for us too. Todd 752. 752 is arriving RMH.
Arriving RMH 2227.
Shit. They ain't gonna stop.
EMS 712.
Go ahead, 12-2.
Go ahead.
And I'm calling up on Major Lane.
4754 should be heading your way from the interstate.
I guess I'll stay in the right lane.
Yeah. Oh, I know it's past the bridge.
Past the
Right
bridge?
after the bridge.
Alright, those lights are off too, aren't they?
Engine 3, squad 3. What was the location again that you could see from front, the accident on Frontage Road? About 170?
Motherfuckers will be just in front of the banker's residence if you're familiar with that.
The what resident?
Banker, right there. Right
Okay, squad 3 copy. I've got 2 on board.
there. Unoccupied. Body tied, engine 3.
Engine 3.
Driving on scene with a single vehicle off the frontage road into the ditch beside the interstate. This time the vehicle is unoccupied and on its wheels. Get that generator, Evan.
I got, oh shit, I'm sorry.
Engine 3 on scene 169 Interstate 81, single vehicle accident. On Frontage Road off 81, vehicle is unoccupied on all four wheels, 2229.
Oh, shit.
EMS 754 on 3. Go ahead, sir. Clearing up from the 148. We're fully staffed, ready to go. Where would you like us to go? Acre Lane, 12-2 should be on scene. Contact dispatcher numerics.